Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Mahiit. So in this video we will be learning how to uninstall the Oracle database 19c. First I will show you the Oracle version installed on my system. So for that just open a command window by searching for cmd and type command sql plus -v. So when we enter this command, it will show us the version, whatever database you have installed, that version will be shown. So I have installed 19c, so it is showing release 19. So when we uninstall the database, at the last we will run this command again, and we will see what happens. So usually what happens is, after uninstallation, is that this command will give you an error that it is not able to recognize this command. Now we will see how to uninstall the database. So let's start. So in order to uninstall the Oracle database 19c, we need to perform these 4 steps. So first we need to stop all the running services, then we need to delete the Oracle home directory, then we need to delete the environment variable, and we need to delete the logs from the registry. So let's start one by one. So first we'll stop the running services. For that, just search for the services and then search for the services with the name Oracle. So I see there are 4 running services which I need to stop. So let's stop one by one. Some of the services may take time to stop. So we have stopped all 4 services. Let's go to the next step. Now we have to delete the Oracle home directory. So I have installed this Oracle in my C drive softwares, this Oracle. If you don't know the path for your Oracle home directory, you can get it from environment variable. So just simply search for environment variable, open it, click on environment variables, click on path, edit. So in this first line you will see the path for your home directory. So I have installed it in C drive software, so we have to delete this folder. Once that is done, go back to C drive, go to program files, search for folder Oracle, and delete the inventory folder from this one. You can delete the whole folder, but if you have any other Oracle application installed, you don't want to delete that. So I don't have any other Oracle application installed, so I will just simply delete this folder. If you have any other application, just delete the inventory folder. Then go back to C drive, go in the users folder, user, search with the Oracle folder and delete this one. Even this is a empty folder, you need to delete this one. Yeah, so we have completed the step 2 to delete the Oracle home directory. Now let's delete the environment variable. So we already have that environment variable open. So path, this path you need to delete. Just select that one and click on delete. Okay. Now the last step we need to perform is, we need to delete the logs from the registry. So for that, just type registry. So you need to open the registry editor. On yes. So in this registry you need to open this HKey local machine. Inside this, open software folder and search for Oracle. So here it is. So you need to delete all these 4 folders one by one. Now go back to and minimize the software and open the system folder. Open the services folder into this inside this system you will find one folder, current control set. So open that one. Inside this you will find services. So open that one and search for Oracle services. So I have this 1 2 3 4 5 6. So I have these 6 Oracle services folder, so we need to delete that one by one. So we have deleted that 6 folders, and that's it. You have uninstalled Oracle 19c from your system. Let's try to log in into the database to cross check. If you see now, as we have uninstalled the Oracle database, this command is giving an error that it is SQL Plus is not recognized as internal or external command. When database is installed, this will work. So that's it in this video. See you in the next video. Thank you.